Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making Chuy's Copycat Jalapeno Ranch Dip, and this is one of my favorite dips. I've been loving this one for years, so let's go ahead and get right on into the video. So here I have washed and dried fresh cilantro, and I'm going to chop this up. But actually what I'm gonna do is just take off some of the stems first, but you can leave some of it on. And then I'm gonna keep about half of a cup of the cilantro, and I'm just gonna stick it into the blender and just blend it up so it's like really nice and blended up instead of chopping it. I just think it blends better that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm also going to add in about half of a cup of diced jalapenos. And I'm going to blend those two things together. Now I'm going to blend those together and I'll be back. Okay, so now that it's all blended up, it should look like this, and I'm going to get a bigger bowl out to combine all of the rest of the ingredients. On a bowl, I'm going to combine the cilantro and jalapenos, 1 cup of sour cream, I'm going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise, a couple of teaspoons of lemon juice or lime juice, and 5 tablespoons of ranch seasoning mix. I'm going to use the Hidden Valley kind. Now I'm just going to mix all of those ingredients together with a spoon. That tastes about right. I just like to stick this in the fridge and just get it really cold, and that's all you have to do. This is one of my favorite recipes, and it's so good, and it's so easy to make. But I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see what it looks like. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all next time.